The role of toll booths in highway maintenance. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, where we explore the engineering behind modern infrastructure. Today, we're diving into an essential component of highway systems, toll booths. These structures play a crucial role in funding, maintaining, and improving highways. But how exactly do they work, and why are they necessary? Let's break it down. What are toll booths? Toll booths are collection points along highways where drivers pay fees to use a particular road. The revenue collected helps fund road maintenance, expansion, and operations. These booths are commonly found on toll roads, bridges, and tunnels, ensuring that those who benefit from these routes contribute to their upkeep. Toll collection has evolved over the years. While early systems relied on manual payments, today's highways use automated and electronic toll collection (EDC) systems, reducing delays and improving efficiency. Why are toll booths necessary? Highways require constant maintenance to repair damage, upgrade infrastructure, and ensure safety. Unlike tax-funded roads, toll highways follow a user-pays system, meaning only those who use the road contribute to its maintenance. This approach has several benefits. Steady revenue stream. Toll booths generate consistent income for road repairs and improvements, reducing reliance on government funding. Reduced public tax burden. Instead of raising taxes for all citizens, only those who use the highway pay for its upkeep. Better road quality. Since toll revenue is directly invested into maintenance, these roads tend to be smoother, safer, and better managed. Encourages private investment. Many toll roads are built and maintained by private companies, reducing the financial burden on governments. Types of toll booths and collection systems. Toll booths operate using different payment methods based on the level of automation and efficiency. The main types include 1. Manual toll booths, traditional booths where drivers stop to pay using cash or cards. While simple, these booths can cause congestion, especially during peak hours. 2. Electronic toll collection (EDC) systems. Uses RFID tags, transponders, or license plate recognition to automatically deduct tolls from prepaid accounts. Examples include EasyPass US, FASTag India, and AutoPass Norway. 3. Open road tolling (ORT). Completely eliminates physical toll booths, allowing vehicles to be charged electronically at full speed. These systems use sensors and cameras to identify vehicles, reducing delays. 4. Distance-based tolling charges vehicles based on the distance traveled rather than a fixed fee. This system is used in Germany and Austria for truck tolling. Each system is designed to balance efficiency, revenue collection, and traffic flow while minimizing inconvenience for drivers. Impact of toll booths on highway maintenance. Toll booths play a direct role in keeping highways in top condition. The revenue collected is used for pavement repairs, fixing potholes, cracks, and surface wear to maintain smooth driving conditions. Bridge and tunnel maintenance, ensuring structural integrity, repainting, and preventing corrosion. Traffic management systems, installing and maintaining signs, barriers, and road markings to enhance safety. Snow and debris removal. In regions with harsh weather, toll revenue funds plowing, de-icing, and debris clearance. Highway expansion projects, adding lanes, building interchanges, and upgrading infrastructure to reduce congestion. By funding these improvements, toll booths help prolong the lifespan of highways, making them safer and more reliable. Challenges and criticisms of toll booths. Despite their benefits, toll booths face several challenges and criticisms. Traffic congestion. Traditional toll booths can create bottlenecks, especially in high-traffic areas. This is why many highways are transitioning to electronic tolling. Cost to drivers. Some commuters find toll fees expensive, especially on long routes or roads with frequent toll points. Environmental impact. Stopping and idling at toll booths increases fuel consumption and emissions, contributing to air pollution. Equity issues. Toll roads may disproportionately impact lower-income drivers who rely on highways for daily commutes. To address these concerns, many regions are adopting cashless tolling and public-private partnerships to improve efficiency and accessibility. Examples of successful toll highway systems. Several countries have effectively used toll revenue to maintain high-quality highways. Some notable examples include Japan's expressways, operated by private companies. These toll-funded roads are among the world's best maintained. France's autoroutes, managed by private firms. These highways offer well-maintained roads, rest areas, and efficient toll collection. United States turnpikes, roads like the Florida Turnpike and Pennsylvania Turnpike rely on toll revenue for continuous upgrades. China's national expressways, funded largely through tolls. These highways have enabled rapid economic growth and connectivity. These systems showcase how toll booths can fund and sustain world-class road networks when properly managed. Conclusion: toll booths are a vital component of highway infrastructure, ensuring that roads remain well-maintained, safe, and efficient. By generating dedicated revenue, they reduce reliance on public taxes, fund essential repairs, and support expansion projects. While challenges exist, innovations in electronic tolling and automated payment systems are making toll collection faster and more convenient. Thanks for tuning in to Blueprint to Reality. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us for more deep dives into the world of engineering and infrastructure. See you in the next video.